Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to do streaks on the Snapchat. So nowadays it's very trending to join your friend as a streak. So how you can basically do it on the Snapchat. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat and you have to add your friends here with whom you want to make a streaks. So once you will do it, now go to your camera section, click a picture and send to your friends. And let's suppose I spend these to my friend. These are 5 friends. Simply you can send them and in return they have to send the streak as well. Once they will send you and you send for 2 to 3 days, your streak will be joined and here you will see 3 3 3 score here, and it will increase when you will send on the daily basis. If you will not send a streak within the 24 hour, it will be broke by your friend. Your streak can't be joined anymore. So this is the procedure to do streaks on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.